The federal government has expressed worry over poor sanitation and urged all relevant stakeholders to intervene and ensure a healthy environment for people and businesses to thrive. The Minister of Environment, Mr. Muhammad Abdullahi, said this while commemorating the National Environmental Sanitation Day in Abuja with the theme, "A clean environment is a healthy environment, get involved." Abdullahi said that poor sanitation was responsible for a significant percentage of preventable diseases, particularly in developing countries.
The National Environmental Sanitation Day is a national advocacy day dedicated to increasing awareness and understanding on the importance of sanitation and hygiene as an effective and affordable way to prevent diseases, save lives, and ensure effective and quality sanitation delivery services, as well as meeting Sustainable Development Goals 3 and 6 by 2030. This year's theme, "A clean environment is a healthy environment, get involved," could not be more apt and timely, considering the critical role sanitation and hygiene play in preventing and controlling the spread of infectious diseases, such as cholera, typhoid fever, Lassa fever, etc. The theme is also a clarion call for every one of us to work together and leverage lessons learned from response to COVID-19 to address the neglect of sanitation and hygiene as a major means of preventing disease transmission. The importance and benefit of creating awareness, behavioral change, and institutionalization of sanitation and hygiene practices among the citizens are our driver in implementing this program by this period of the year. Let me at this point use this forum to charge all state governments, commissioners of environment, local government chairmen, councillors, environmental health officers, NGOs, CBOs, FBOs, and development partners, organized private sector, etc., across the country to actively step up these sanitation and hygiene campaigns as an effective means of controlling and preventing disease transmission. Sanitation and hygiene should become an integral part of our everyday life. I therefore urge all media organizations to join the Federal Ministry of Environment and other stakeholders as partners in progress in propagating sanitation and hygiene practices to the general public.
Similarly, the head of civil service of the Federation, Dr. Falashade Yemi-Esan, represented by Dr. Deborah Odo, said that the environment had tremendous impact on health and well-being of the people.
All in a bid to ensure that our workplaces, our work environments are healthy and safe. This is in addition to the work being carried out under the Clean Nigeria Use the Toilet campaign. And under that, we have worked with relevant stakeholders to promote clean and appropriate toilets and restrooms in our offices. On this 2022 National Environmental Sanitation Day, I therefore wish to join my voice with others to appreciate all the work that is being done and to make a commitment to ensure that my office will do all that is necessary to support a clean environment in the communities and also in our workplaces.
The Chief Water Sanitation and Hygiene Officer of UNICEF, Dr. Jane Bevan, said the office had supported the government to develop watch statistics over the last few years, adding that there was a national outcome routine mapping for the country.
So I know the environmental sanitation remit is broader for waste, solid waste and everything, but for me the most hazardous pollution of environment is the open defecation. If you translate that into numbers, it's approximately 48 million people shitting all over the country, which is really quite a shocking number of people. And the obvious health repercussions of such an issue is very, very clear in, for example, the cholera that is widespread in the country at the moment, and so on. So I really applaud the launch of this state of emergency and events like this, the Day of Sanitation, to really bring emphasis to this issue. We cannot proceed business as normal. We really need to step up, accelerate the progress, the coverage of sanitation wherever possible. So we need to talk about safely managed sanitation. And that means not only containing feces, but disposing of them safely. So when pits are emptied, they need to be in proper waste disposal sites where it's treated and made harmless. Because if we just dispose in the environment, then of course all we're doing is moving the risk from one place to another.